This is realization zombie mode. Zombie. Okay. It's create like agad ba zombie? Zombie. Zombie. Okay. Zombie. Zombie mood. So parang ang realization natin to those people na wala ng oras. Like those people na they're working 10 years already, 4 years already. So in reality, there are those people na walang oras. Walang oras. So this is the realization that you need to know. Like for me, like for example, this is the reason why I do Yusana. Lagi kong inaano na ako. Hindi siya. Pero pati natamaan siya. So this is the reason why I decide. This is the line that we need to go for. We got 2 lines. All those lines, parang as a human, we have one more direction now. So what is that? This is the one.
Tama.
Rest and peace.
Oo.
So it means we are go to here.
Tama.
Okay. This is the reason why I do Yusana, because it's look like my age is also varying in this situation. Like for example, I'm always saying I'm 41 years of age. And the life expectancy of every human na meron paa, meron kamay, meron dalawang mata, 70 years of age.
Tama.
If you're an alien, of course you are not in this line. Correct? So, let's divide like 41 years old by means of 10. So it means like I'm 51, I'm 61, and actually this is the 71 years of age. Okay. This is the lifespan. It means we're ending in this area. So in this situation, when I was 20 years of age, what I do is like no dreams,
Tama.
no dreams,
Correct.
more lifestyle, just playing table tennis.
Correct.
In short, it's all about hobby, wasting time because I'm young. Then suddenly, when I realized, when I was in 40 years of age, some people say life started at age of 40. Then I started to open mind that Yusana is the best one. First thing, when we are a worker in Singapore, we earn more. This is our income. We make it double. Because our strength, our effort, our energy is there.
Agree.
But suddenly, do you think 10 years from now, if you're not doing anything, there's no any passive income? Your age is getting older. So in this case, in this scenario, if you're not doing anything, do you think your income will become the same as your 41 years of age?
No.
After the end of your contract, like 10 years from now, do you think your 2,400 income, it will the same as 2,400 income? No, this is one of the example. I have a friend, a security guard in Takashimaya. He said last time, 20 years back, his income is 5,000. But right now, he's bargaining his age to his job because right now he's already 50 years of age, and being a security guard, you need to at least you vary your energy to the young people and the old people. They need at least 20 years of age to have a good income of 2,400. Because he's 51 years old, he's bargaining his age to the new employment. He offer 1,400.
Grabe.
He grab it because there's no any option. Then, if you realize this, when you're getting older, your salary are getting lower. That's life. Because no one in this planet that will hire you the same as your energy, the same as your effort, is the same as your amount of your salary. No. So sooner or later, those people who's negative today, they are the people who work in McDonald's. So McDonald's, because right, they can hire part time, $5 per hour or $8 per hour. So it means if you're getting older, your potential to earn more is become lesser and lesser.
Correct. Agree.
And the worst part of this, the expectancy is 71 years age. Do you think if you're not doing anything, potentially you cannot go for this side because you're already stressed?
Yeah.
If you're doing stress, it means you have potentially you have illness,
Mm.
disease,
Mm.
and so on and so forth.
Tama.
So, most people, they are not going in this age.
Mm.
But in Usana, they're saying it's very hard. It's true. Because Usana, when you decide now,
Yun.
we earn like
Okay,
this.
closing.
We earn like this. It's
Ito yung
45.
zombie mode.
Yes.
Coach. Naku, favorite niya. Ay, ice cream. The zombie. The
Yes.
zombie cool.
So if I'm earning $45, it means it's true. This business is true because it's not a scam, like what Coach Paulo said, right? But those people at age of 51, because they are not doing well, from this case, they quit.
Oh.
But in reality, in this age, if you're doing Usana continuously at age of 55, do you think you earn more? You earn
Yes.
more. So it
Yeah.
means if in reverse in Usana, you become healthy, but your income is going bigger. Thank you po.
Coach, he wants to learn that one.
Okay. Yes, next time. and become it means your age, if you're doing Usana, your age become older, but your income is become bigger.
Yun. Tama.
In this case, you become older, but your income become lesser.
Mm.
So in Usana, where we become older, the income is become bigger and bigger,
Mm.
higher and higher and higher and higher. So do you think doing Usana 10 years from now, 20 years from now is worth it or not?
Yes, worth it.
It's worth it because this is the money that you build in, and this is the money that you do for before,
Mm.
but it's become lower and lower.
Mm.
So you do Usana or just doing nothing.
Tama. Do you sana?
Do Usana. This is your last option.
Okay, sir, paano po mag-start yan?
That's it. Ganun lang siya. So 20 years from now, what do you want to do? Become older without doing nothing?
Mm.
And worsen and worsen your health become worsen and worsen, or take Usana, your health is become more healthier and healthier and you look younger, plus you're earning more.
Mm.
What is your option? Do Usana or do nothing?
Do
That's
you
it.
sana?
Because life is too short. We are going here. That's why rest and peace after that.
Correct. Everyone will die.
Everyone will die. Pero kung gusto, if you want to do more more funny thing, they're saying, hindi naman ako swerte dyan. Just, doon ka mag-start. Pare, don't tell that. Because why? We started from the dot.
Oh, yan.
We started from the dot.
Oh.
You're lucky enough because why? When you started, there are millions. Before you look like this. You're handsome right now. You're talented. Because of the effort of your family, of your parents. Push in, push out. That's why you're here.
push out, yeah.
After that, boom, it created you.
Yeah.
That's why you're saying you're not lucky. And you're the luckiest one right now. You're the winning person. It means you're a champion.
Mm.
But when you decided to be like this, you started from 20, right? It means you need to work, you need to do something to live.
Mm.
But you do like this, right? All hobby,
Mm.
all gimmicks,
Tama.
buying something.
Correct.
But in reality, you earn or not? You have savings account na?
No.
No.
Zero.
So, basag, zero.
Zero.
So I realized, so balik sa'yo, I realized when I was already 41 years of age that Usana is very important. Because why? Right now I'm earning like this, 2,400 per month.
Mm.
But continuously, even I work until 60 or 61 years of age, do you think the company will give me 2,400? I will bargain myself because I'm older. I'm older in this age. In this 10 years from now, I'm already older. I think I asked my boss to bargain myself that, can you hire me again even 1,500?
Tama.
But in Usana, you can triple, you can double. And congratulations, in that age, you're a millionaire.
Yun.
Ano lang. Maraming way, coach, paano mo siya babasahin.
Papaigutin.
Oo, kung paano mo siya ilalaro. Kasi in reality, maraming kwento yan.
Tama.
But you started from this scenario.
Grabe, sir, saan pa naman magsasign?
So yan, marami